one of the things that Aki Sinoro, who was an archaeologist, Alan Ziegler, who was, I think, a zoologist, but he was considered amongst many to be one of those experts in bird bones, and also Dave Tuggle. They refer to sinkholes as a time capsule. So it preserves things that had happened during certain periods in our ancient history. And what makes it much more interesting, it goes beyond human habitation. It goes beyond the period when our first ancestors arrived here in these islands. So it gives us a kind of a snapshot of what this area was like before our ancestors arrived, before they got here. And it also served as a water resource in this region. And it's referred to in the stories of Kane and Kalaeloa. When Kane came into this area, it is at Kanehili where he brought forth water from the sinkholes with the stripe of his ko'oko'o. So it serves many different purposes. It can serve as a time capsule in helping us understand our ancient past. It was used by our ancestors as a water source, and it also served in a region such as this. It would serve also an agricultural purpose. Many sinkholes in this particular area where today you can still find noni growing out of them. You can still find a lot of tea leaves growing out of different sinkholes. In this very area we're going to take a look. There's several sinkholes in this area where there's substantial tea leaves growing out of them. So they define them in many different ways. Those that were used as a water source, what they did was they actually built a wall around the sinkhole, mainly to keep out the large debris. Small stuff was unavoidable, but they wanted to kind of keep large stuff out. So very important in terms of data gathering and learning a little bit more about our past.